Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can set holidays as well as working days for your projects on Smartsheet. So let us dive into it. Alright guys, so what you want to do is log into your Smartsheet account, of course, and navigate to a workspace. And after that, navigate also to your project sheet. So let me go with this one here, my project. So what you want to do, guys, is switch to the board view by clicking into the current view here and select board. And once that's done, guys, click into that gear icon in the top right corner to edit your sheet settings. So from here, guys, you will see this date range, for example, dependencies, as well as this feature here, years, weeks, and working days, which is exactly what we're about to customize. So to do that, expand that menu, and below, guys, you may, for example, set your working days by clicking into them. Like, for example, if you like a 5-day a week, you may start with Monday and select all days up until Friday. Or if you'd like to work also on weekends, simply select Saturdays as well as Sundays. And that's basically it. Below you can set or select a length of day, like hours, like 8 or 9 or 10 or 6 and so on and so forth. And customize that for your personalized project here. So last but not least, guys, below you will be given the opportunity to set holidays or so-called non-working days. As you can see, on default there are no dates selected, but you can change that anytime by clicking into plus add here and select the holidays from that calendar for the given year. So we're now in October 2025. Let us start the holidays, let's say in 2 weeks, 21st, and after that let us have that holiday up until, I don't know, Halloween, for example. So as you can see, you can add these days. Let me go also with the second. So you will need to add each holiday or day of the holiday separately to that list. So if we want to go up to until Halloween or November 1st, we will need to, or let us go with the entire weekend, which would actually go up until November 2nd. You will need to select each day of that list, of that calendar, and add it separately to that list of non-working days one by one. So let me do that really quickly. 29th, 30th, and we got Halloween, which is in this year is on Friday, and after that skip to November and select also Saturday and Sunday. So that would be our holiday, as you can see. And you may, for instance, clear that, for example, or add more of these days. It's totally up to you guys. So let me go with that setup here. Don't forget to confirm by clicking into apply here. And that is going to set holidays for your project. As you can see, your changes have been saved. And that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.